Today, I'll show you how to change your caller ID on T-Mobile. Updating your caller ID can be useful for ensuring that your name appears correctly when you make calls. This quick tutorial will guide you through each step, making it easy to update your settings. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and locate the T-Life app. This app is essential for managing various aspects of your T-Mobile account, and it's where we'll make the necessary changes to your caller ID. Once you've found the app, go ahead and open it. When the app loads, you'll find yourself on the home screen. From here, you'll want to tap on Manage. This option allows you to access various account management features, including settings for your devices. With the Manage section open, look for the Settings icon. This is typically represented by a small gear icon. Tap it to open your account settings. This area is where you can adjust different preferences related to your account and devices. Now, within the account settings, you'll need to select Device Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage specific settings related to the devices linked to your T-Mobile account. As you navigate through device settings, keep an eye out for the caller ID name option. Once you find it, tap on it and then choose Edit. This will allow you to update how your name appears when you make calls. When you reach the editing section, you'll see fields for your first name and last name. Carefully enter your name exactly as you want it to appear on caller ID. Remember, this is how people will see your name when you call them, so make sure it's accurate and spelled correctly. After entering your name, the next step is to save these changes. Look for the Save button and tap it. This action will apply the updates to your caller ID settings, ensuring that the changes take effect. Once you've saved, your caller ID name will be updated on your T-Mobile account. It's a straightforward process, but taking a few moments to ensure everything is correct can make a big difference in how your calls are perceived by others. And that's how you change your caller ID on T-Mobile. With just a few taps, you can ensure that your name appears just the way you want it to when making calls. Thanks for following along, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need to update your caller ID again.